Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube? Today's another simple recipe, a recipe that could be made in any country at any time. This is basically another toast recipe, but this is good for breakfast really quick or anytime you want to snack. So the thing we're going to do is we got 2 organic brown eggs in here. We're going to use this cover, and the thing you're going to want to do is let this sit. Let the eggs sit in the cold water for about a minute, and we're going to boil this. Once it starts boiling, we're going to turn it off, and we're going to put the cover on. And the thing is, depending on the way you want your eggs, you're going to let it sit in the pot for 5 to 6 minutes. And we have rye toast here, butter, whipped butter, and black pepper organic. The thing we're going to do is we're going to put butter on the one side, and then we're going to flip it over in a medium heat pan and brown it. We're not going to brown both sides because you want the toasted side and then the original side on the bottom, so it adds a crisp taste. So you're going to have 2 different textures. So the thing we're going to do is turn this on to high, and let's wait for this to boil. Once it boils, like I said, we'll put the cover on and we'll let it go 5 to 6 minutes, and then we'll work on the toast. Love you. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube, so the water's boiling. Turn off the stove, put the cover on, and start counting 5 or 6 minutes. The longer you go, the more hard-boiled it would be. If you go like maybe the 5 minutes, it'd be more soft, but this is up to you. So just let the cover stay on. I buttered this bread, and we're going to put this in the pan and do that. Alright, YouTube, so we got that. Now we're going to take this rye bread, use whatever bread you want, and we're going to put this in here. And the thing we're going to do is just keep spinning this. And then we'll use the black pepper for the top of the eggs. Like I said, this is a really easy recipe. This can be made in any country, anywhere. And this is also cooking on a budget, because you can buy loaves of bread at discount at the supermarket sometimes. And usually eggs, if you shop around, they're reasonable. So you see that all that steam's in there, that's going to cook the eggs. So you let it go 5 or 6 minutes, then you're going to want to drain it and put it right in cold water. And we're going to just top it on this bread, and it makes for a great quick breakfast or a snack anytime. So just keep turning this, and like I said, this side you don't want to do, because you want the crispy taste of this rye bread and the brown on the other side. Alright, YouTube, so our bread is done. I turned that stove off. There's our eggs. We only have 1 or 2 minutes. So take this. Look at that. And that's it's a lot better sometimes doing it in here than actually toasting your bread. So there's that toast. We only have 1 more minute. After that, I'm going to remove this and drain it, and we're set. Alright, YouTube, so our eggs are done. You're going to take this cover off. You see that steam? And I actually cooked it for like 5 minutes and maybe like 30 seconds. So we're going to want to drain this water off and put cold water in there and let it sit for a minute. And then we'll break it up over the toast, top it with black pepper, and that's your really simple, cheap breakfast toast. Alright, YouTube, so I drained that water and I put cold water in there. So we're going to let this sit for a minute, and then we're going to peel the eggs, and like I said, we're going to come back here, top it off, add some organic black pepper, and you have your tasty boiled egg toast. See you in a few minutes. Alright, YouTube, so those eggs are complete. And I kind of cooked them for 5 minutes. So these are going to be soft boiled. So Break this up. And look at the texture of that. This beats going to a diner or a restaurant. So look at this one. This one has a little bit more yolk. So personally, a lot of times for breakfast, I like to have soft boiled. So let me break this up, and then after that, we'll top it with pepper, and there's your soft boiled toast. All right, YouTube. So there's your soft boiled eggs. It's nothing to be like. It's not something that's really fancy and gourmet, but the taste is unbelievable. So take your black pepper, mix that about, and there you have it. Soft-boiled eggs on toasted rye bread. Use whatever bread you want, like sourdough. But this could be made in any country at any time. You enjoy. Love you. God bless. See you soon. Bye-bye.